A little known fact outside the actual non-destructive testing business, that in order to become qualified for certification, you must be under or be guided by a written practice, which is in fact a procedure. This written practice is produced by the certifying company for the individual as a document that outlines the steps that said individual should make all along the way in order to gain qualifications such that that company then can write a document called a certificate that testifies to the person's qualification. That being the case, it's important that companies who need their own NDT personnel understand how to write a written practice. That's my job, and if you as a company are unfamiliar with that particular ground and have not covered that before, I produce documents such as that. I aid you in interpreting the document and actually customizing the document off of a recommendation or a recommended practice SNTTC 1A. I customize the recommendations of that document to meet your particular needs as a using company who is attempting to qualify and certify its own personnel for the performance of non-destructive testing. I perform this service in behalf of a number of other companies, and I perform it at as a retainer. In other words, a retained level 3 individual who is operating in behalf of your company and will represent your company in the event that there is any question about your training processes and how you conduct them.